Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can power a goblet, and this is a 100 watts from Banggood. I ordered it there, and this is a step-up converter that I bought from eBay. I also have a heatsink that I removed from a old Dell server. I don't know how I'm going to mount this, but I think I will show it in the next video. So let's build it. First, let me get some wires that I can connect to the step-up converter. Let's strip them down. So they're a bit too long, so I will crop them down. Here's my tool. Crop them down a bit. So they can fit nicely in the step-up converter. Let's see, in and out. So let's put them in the in. So this is the positive lead. Put it in there. And the negative lead. So let's solder them to, no, I'm wrong. It's the input, not the output. So these don't have to be soldered because I have a power supply here where I can hook them up to. So let's do that first. And these cops use around 30 volts. So let's step the voltage up to 30 volts. I have a big Dell power supply that is on 12 volts, and it will step it up to 30 volts. Let's get the meter. Let's see what voltage it is now. Minus positive. And let's change the range a bit. So it's around 23, 24 volts. And let's step it up a bit. Oh, that's annoying. Let's get a different bit on it. Oh, this one is better, a bit smaller. So let's turn it up. Let's see where we're at now. 25, so I will set it around 30 volts. And that's pretty. Trim it down a bit. 21,999. That's fine by me. So, put the meter away. Disconnect the power supply. And let's solder some wires on these on this cup. A couple of wires here. We'll power up the soldering iron. This is a very nice soldering iron I bought from Banggood. It's a digital one. Trim the wires. Let's see, this is the positive, this is the negative, and this will be the negative, I think. So the soldering iron is heated up. Get some solder on it first. And also the wires a bit. Everything is falling down here, but also this one. Let's see, this one is the positive side. I don't think I didn't apply enough solder. Let's put a bit more on it. That's better. And also the negative. Turn the soldering iron off. And let's connect those leads to the step-up converter. and the positive. Oh. Make sure it fits. Everything connected tightly. So let's connect it to the heatsink and do a bit of coolant on it. Cool paste. Always use a small drop, not too much, otherwise it won't help. Push it on, wiggle it a bit, so the paste is well spread. Now let's hook it up to the power supply and see what it does. It does nothing. Let's change the wires then. Let's disconnect this lead. Okay, power supply. I'll hook it up to power supply. It says 30 volts. Then I must have miswired the LED. So let's disconnect the power supply and change the wires then. Let's see if that will work. Rookie mistake, I guess. If this works. Second try. Whoa, that is bright. Let's turn it this way. That's working a bit better. I'll turn off the desk light and see what it does now. Can get loosen the wire. Wow, it's extremely bright. Let's see how much watt there is going through. I have this meter up. I have to turn the light on first. Let's set it to 2 amps. DC. And hook it up. Around 2 amps. So roughly 60-65 watts on 30 volts. Maybe if I step up the voltage a bit, it will increase and get much brighter, but it will also get a lot warmer. I think I need a fan on this heatsink. So let's disconnect it. Now I have to figure out how I can mount this LED. But that will be for our next video. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.